Jesus Manuel Angel Bong Cabbage and Suntay, born November 15, 1970, is a Filipino businessman, lawyer, and politician who has served as the representative of Quezon City's 4th District since 2025. He previously held the seat from 2019 to 2022. The owner of a taxi operator in Metro Manila, Suntay heads the Philippine National Taxi Operators Association. He is also the founder of the Liquified Petroleum gas chain Cleanfuel. Suntay was a longtime member of the Quezon City Council, serving from 1998 to 2004, and from 2007 to 2016, he narrowly defeated Marvin Rillo in the 2025 local elections by 200 votes. Jesus Manuel Angel Cabbage and Suntay was born on November 15, 1917. His parents were business people. His father was a linotypist and an executive at A. Soriano Corporation. His mother is part of the Cabbage family who owns the L. Oro Engravers. Suntay was encouraged by his father to pursue a career on computers during his high school years, but the younger Suntay decided to become a lawyer and businessman. He then attended the De La Salle University for his pre-law studies. Suntay graduated from San Beda College with a law degree in 1996, passing the bar examination the following year. He worked as an associate and partner lawyer, but also started his own business ventures. Around 1989, Suntay established Basic Taxi, a taxi business when he was still a freshman student at San Beda. He started with 5 second-hand units, but grew to a fleet of 1,200 units. Suntay has promoted the usage liquefied petroleum gas for taxis in the Philippines to combat rising prices of gasoline. He tested the conversion kit on 5 of his taxi units in 2004. He later acquired exclusive rights to sell auto LPG conversion kit from Tartarini in Italy. Shell installed a LPG conversion facility in his garage. He later established Cleanfuel in 2006 since large traditional petrol companies are unwilling to service LPG to small taxi operators. As of 2022, Cleanfuel has 134 stations in Luzon and Visayas, including those which are still being set up. Personal life, Suntay is married to businesswoman Maria Cecilia Shyla Guevara, with whom he had 5 children. One of their sons, Renzo, died by suicide on April 21, 2018, at age 20 after having suffered from depression. 2001 assault charges. On December 22, 2001, Suntay was with his wife Sheila within the Verde Pasadena Tower in San Juan, Metro Manila, when the latter received a text message from a young male resident in the building asking for a share of Sheila's lunch as gimmicks. According to a police report, Suntay followed his wife to the resident's apartment, then proceeded to confront him with a pistol and accused his wife of cheating on him, upon which Suntay pistol whipped him unconscious. The resident also claimed that Suntay fired shots into the air. Criminal charges were later filed against Suntay by policemen before the Rizal provincial prosecutors on January 8, 2002. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs.